In this video, let's talk about the exclusive top features in the Apple ecosystem. Hi guys, welcome back to Tea on Things, where we talk all tea and a little bit of shade on tech, trends, travel, and taste. First and foremost is AirDrop. AirDrop is the easiest and the most efficient way of sharing items from your Apple gadget to another one. It can be a file, a photo, or a video that you want to quickly share to your friends. And with iOS 17, they updated this that you don't have to be nearby each other. It can automatically switch to using your data connection to continue sending. The second exclusive feature is iMessage. I know a lot of you guys hate it when in a group chat you see green bubble instead of the blue bubble. The blue bubble indicates that you guys are on iMessage, and it's so easy to share files, videos, photos, and even website links in your group chat. There are also tons of features inside iMessage, and one of those that I particularly like is reacting to the messages with different stickers or even emojis. Third one is FaceTime. FaceTime is a video call feature in the Apple ecosystem that allows you to have video calls with your friends or in a group. What's good about FaceTime now is somehow you can share it to your friends who are not using Apple device via a website and be able to join in the video call. Continuity. With continuity, you're able to copy from one Apple gadget and paste it to the other. You can also do universal control, meaning you can use one keyboard and mouse to control an iPad and a MacBook at the same time. Continuity also allows you to mark up a certain document from one Apple device and continue it on to another. There is still a lot of continuity features that you can use across all your Apple devices. You can even use your iPhone camera on a FaceTime call via your Apple TV, and even use your iPhone camera when you're on a MacBook video call. Finally, and the most important feature of all, is the yearly update across all their devices, from MacBook with macOS, iPhone with iOS, iPad with iPadOS, and even Apple Watch's watchOS and Apple TV's tvOS. And the update continues up to 7 years. You'll be able to use for 7 years, especially with security and privacy updates that Apple bakes into its devices. Our runner-up in the Apple ecosystem feature is iCloud syncing. So it's so easy to sync all your photos and videos taken from your iPhone, and you will be able to get it from your MacBook and even your iPad. So it's so easy when you take a video and edit it on your iPad or MacBook. So those are the top exclusive features you will find from Apple devices that kind of trap you in Apple's ecosystem. Once I completely transition from the Apple ecosystem, I will talk to you about suitable replacements for these features. So I'm very excited for that transition, and I can't wait to share them all to you. How about you? What are the other Apple exclusive features that keep you in their ecosystem? And for those who are not in the Apple ecosystem, comment down below on what those suitable replacements are. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!